Okay, today I've got a 14 by 14 canvas and I'm going to do a colander pour. This is a different kind of colander than I've used the sink strainers before, but I've never used this type colander. But I found it, I think I got it at Walmart, I don't remember for sure, but it's got holes all the way around and pretty close down to the bottom, and it has no vase on it, so I think it's going to work out pretty good. So we're going to give it a try. I'm trying a different camera angle this time. I'm kind of coming in at the side where you can see the paint as it comes out. My normal angle on the top, you can't really see it till it gets past the colander. So, and the other thing I'm going to do on this one, I'm not going to talk as I'm doing it. You can see my paints. I've got blue, green, orange, and white. I just made a video making these colors on how I mix my paints up, so I'll put a link in the top right hand corner of the video for that paint, or for that video. So if you want to go watch that and see about my spreadsheet and all that stuff that I use to mix my paints with. So I'm going to reset up or reposition myself, and then I'm going to fast forward from this point on, and then we'll come back and take a look at it after it's done. Okay, well, I'm real pleased with that. It didn't come out with the lines, with it's hard to tell looking at it now that it's a colander pour, just for the fact that we had to stretch it out so much to cover the corners. I guess I could have done a negative space. I haven't really mastered that yet. I've never really tried it. I could have done a negative space on the corners and left it, or I could have done like I did on the other one and used a round canvas. But I'm still real pleased with it. It still came out with some cool stretch lines and some different patterns that I wouldn't have got with a normal pour. So, and I had no silicone in this. And this is just mainly, I'm just popping bubbles really. I was never really looking for cells in this, but I ended up with some. Got some decent looking cells across there. Like I said, wasn't even really trying for them. They just came up. And that's just from the silicone. I mean, I'm sorry, just from the Floetrol, I guess, is what brought that up. I'm just looking for popping bubbles here, but I'm gonna let this sit for about 5 minutes or so, and then I'll take a picture of it, and then I'll do a zoom in effect at the end so you can see it up close. But I'm pretty pleased with this. I appreciate you watching. Please like and subscribe, and check out my Facebook page, Pour Painting by Doublereno, my Facebook group, Pour Painting by Doublereno group. I appreciate you watching. Thank you. Bye.